Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply logo to a logo to your videos in CapCut PC. So select a video that you want to add the logo to, for instance this one. Then add in your logo and just add it till the end of the video. You're also going to just scale down the logo a little bit, and you can either put it in the middle, the right side, the left side, wherever you want. You can also go to blend mode and adjust the blend modes here. Overlay, for instance, you can adjust the opacity so it's not too visible. You can also add in animations to the logos if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.